Okay, final video. This one is going to be how to find the surface area of a rectangular pyramid. Okay, um, let's go to the whiteboard, maybe. All right, what I do need to explain something a little bit better than I have before. When we are finding the volume of a rectangular prism, the height that we are given is the height from the center straight down to the middle of the triangular prism. Let me make this bigger, okay? Because this is important, okay? There are two different kinds of height. This will come into play when you're doing much more complex geometry, okay? The height that we use when we're finding the volume is actually right to the center, right here. That gets us the volume, that height. When we are finding the height, the surface area, we get a lateral height. There are ways to find this, deeper geometry using Pythagorean theorem, all that. Right now, I'm giving you this lateral height, and I'm going to start calling it lateral height. I must give that to you for you to do your problems right now. And when we're finding surface area of a rectangular prism, I am referring to this lateral height, okay? Just know that from now until we're done, that they are two different kinds of height, okay? So today we're going to talk about a triangular prism with a lateral height right here of 7 centimeters and a base of 8 centimeters, okay? When we're finding surface area, what we want, we're talking about the outside, the area of the entire outside. So what I want you to think about is how many sides, how many triangles make up a rectangular pyramid. Let's just start with the base. The base is a rectangle. It has 4 edges. Each of those edges is a triangle that comes together in this point right here. So there are 4 triangles. So you have to add the base plus 4 triangles. This gives us the surface area. So the first thing we can do is we can find the area of the base. We know that the area equals length times width, okay? So that's area equals 8 times 8. Area equals 64 centimeters squared. Now we can find the area of one triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times the height. The base is, so area equals 1/2. The base is 8, and the height is 7. Area equals 1/2 56. 7 times 8 is 56. Area equals half of 56, I figured that out earlier, is 28 centimeters squared. Okay? That's the area for one triangle. The area for one. So I need to multiply that times 1, 2, 3, 4. 28 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I take this 112 centimeters squared. That's my 4 triangles. What do I have to add it to? My area of a rectangle right there. So plus 64 centimeters squared. I get 4 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 178 centimeters squared is the surface area of this triangle. Now I'd like to branch out and do it one more time. Maybe I will try and color code this. Some people may need something like that. Let's see what I can do. So I'm going to make my triangles burgundy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my rectangle in the bottom, it's a square, is going to stay blue. So my base, I'm doing this off the top of my head, so bear with me, is 4. And my height is my lateral height six. We'll just go inches. Okay, if my base is 4 inches on each side, if I'm going to find the area of my base, it is length times width. Area equals 4 times 4. Area equals 16 inches squared. Now I need to find the area of one of my triangles. The area of my triangle is 1/2 base times height. Area equals 1/2. The base is 4, and my lateral height is 6. Area equals 1/2 of 4 times 6 is 24. Area equals 12 inches squared. Now, that's the area for one triangle. I need to multiply that times 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. 48 inches squared is the area for all 4 of my triangles. I'm going to add my 16 inches squared for my base. And my grand total is going to be 64 inches squared. Okay, I hope that you are able to follow that. And if you have, let's go over here and talk to you directly. If you have any questions on how to do this, please do not hesitate to contact me. I thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.